Hello everyone. Welcome back to our podcast on the YouTube channel Learning English Together. I'm Alex.
And I'm Bella. We are so happy to see you again. Happy New Year, everyone! Can you believe it? 2025 is over, and 2026 is finally here.
It feels like yesterday was just the start of last year. Time really flies when you are busy learning.
That's true. A new year is like a fresh start, a clean page in a notebook. It's the perfect time to think about our 2026 plans.
I agree. Today, we're going to talk about a lot of different goals. Health, travel, hobbies, and of course, learning English.
This is great for our listeners because we use future tenses like I am going to, or I will, or I hope to.
Exactly. So Bella, let's start with you. What is your biggest plan for 2026?
Well, my main goal this year is health. In 2025, I was very busy and I didn't exercise much. So in 2026, I am going to exercise at least 3 times a week.
That's a common goal, but it's a very important one. Are you going to go to the gym, or do you prefer home workouts?
I actually signed up for a yoga class. I think yoga is great for both the body and the mind. It helps me stay calm.
Yoga sounds wonderful. I tried it once, but I am not very flexible. I prefer running in the park.
Running is good too. My brother loves running. He is planning to run a marathon in 2026.
A marathon? That is a huge challenge. I hope he succeeds. My health goal is a bit different. I want to eat less fast food.
Oh, that is hard. Fast food is so convenient when you're tired.
I know. But in 2026, I am going to cook more at home. I want to try new healthy recipes. Maybe lots of vegetables and grilled chicken.
That sounds delicious. Cooking can be a fun hobby too. Speaking of hobbies, do you have any other plans for 2026?
Yes. I really want to learn how to play the guitar. I bought a guitar 2 years ago, but it is just sitting in my room.
You should definitely start. Playing an instrument is a great way to relax after work.
I hope so. I am going to take online lessons every Saturday. By the end of 2026, I want to play at least 3 songs for my friends.
I can't wait to hear you play. My hobby goal is traveling. I have a big plan for the summer of 2026.
Where are you planning to go?
I am going to visit Italy. It has been my dream for a long time. I want to see the old buildings in Rome and eat real pizza in Naples.
Italy is beautiful. The history and the food are amazing. Are you going alone or with friends?
I am going with my sister. We are already looking at hotels and famous places to visit.
That sounds like a dream trip. But Bella, Italy is a long way from here. Is it expensive?
It can be. So, one of my other plans is to save money every month. I am going to cut back on buying expensive coffee.
That's a smart plan. Small savings can turn into a big trip. For me, my 2026 plan involves my career.
Tell us more, Alex. What are your plans for work?
I want to learn a new skill. My office uses a lot of new software, so I am going to take a computer course in February.
Improving your skills is always a good investment. It can lead to a better position or even a promotion.
I hope so. I want to be more productive this year so I can have more free time on the weekends.
Free time is very important. In 2026, I want to spend more time with my family. Last year, I was too busy to visit them often.
Family time is precious. Do they live far away?
About 3 hours by train. So I am going to visit them once a month. We like to go hiking together.
Hiking with family sounds like a perfect weekend.
It is. Now, let's talk about something very important for our listeners. English learning plans for 2026.
Good idea. Many of our listeners probably have a goal to speak better English this year.
I think the best plan is to practice a little bit every day. Don't try to study for 5 hours once a week. Instead, try 10 minutes every day.
I agree. Consistency is the key. Listeners, you can listen to our podcast Learning English Together every day. That is a great start.
Yes. And you should try to speak out loud. Don't just listen. Repeat what we say.
Let's give them some useful sentences for their 2026 plans. Bella, how can they say their plans?
You can say, my goal for 2026 is to. Or, I am planning to. Or I hope to.
For example, in 2026, I am going to read 10 books in English.
Or, I hope to travel to a new country this year.
Those are great examples. Bella, what about weekends? Do you have different plans for 2026 weekend?
On weekends, I want to be more active. No more sleeping until noon. I want to wake up at 8 a.m. and go for a walk.
Wow, 8 a.m. on a Saturday? You are very motivated. I think I will still sleep a little bit longer on Saturdays.
That's okay too. Rest is also a plan. The important thing is to have a balance.
Well said. Every day is a new chance to grow. 2026 is going to be a fantastic year for all of us.
I feel very positive about it. Alex, thank you for sharing your plans. And thank you, listeners, for joining us.
Before we go, let's ask our listeners one more time. What are you going to do in 2026?
Please write your goals in the comments. We want to support you and learn with you.
Reading your comments makes us very happy. It reminds us that we are all learning English together.
That's right. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just try.
We will be here to help you in the next episode with more daily English conversations.
Take care of yourselves and stay healthy.
See you in the next episode of Learning English Together.
Happy New Year once again.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.